Hey hi, it's Mads and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you guys? I'm so happy to see you. This year is coming to a close. The holidays are in full swing, and yes, I could be doing more Christmas content, but I'm gonna be so for real with you. I just want to hang out with my cats. That's all I want to do. It's all I want to do. And I have been thinking about this project for a while, and I have just been trying to find the right time. If you guys remember or you've been watching, I thrifted these like brass picture frames. Like there's two mismatching sets. They're not quite the same. I found them at two different places on the same day. I found all four of them. And they are these brass, and they're almost identical, but they're different. Like the backings in them are different. I got them at different stores. It was just the craziest thing. So I have this rectangle set of frames, and then I also have this round set of frames. Again, different stores, same day, same frames. They're almost identical. These ones are a little worse for wear, if I'm being honest, but I don't care because today we are turning my cats into wall art, and I am so excited for this. I don't think they are, and this is a big disclaimer. My cats are very tame. They let me do whatever I want to them, and I do not exercise that unless I need to. I don't think they're gonna like this very much, but I'm going to be so quick and so fast and then give them so many treats after. So do not do this to your pets if they do not want you to do it. Safety is the #1 priority here, so please know that I've done all the safety things. The cats will be getting lots of treats after it, and I will make this so quick and painless for them, as quick and painless as I possibly can. I'm like 90% sure that they're gonna be chill about it. They're chill about most things. To make this project happen, I picked up this ink pad. So there's ink on one side, and the other side doesn't have ink on it that you press into so that you don't get any actual ink on their paws, but you do get ink on the paper. And the one I'm using is the Recollections No Mess ink pad. It's non-toxic and acid-free. And this is what it comes with. It comes with the ink pad, and it comes with 2 sets of cardstock. So this ink pad here, you see there's a little sign on it. It says, "Stop, you're using the wrong side." That's the side that has the ink on it. And you want to actually use this side when doing your imprinting. If that makes sense. So this side here, this stop, wrong side, turn card over, you're gonna place that face down on your card, and you either press into this or whatever you want to imprint, you're gonna press on the other side. And you can see I can touch this side and there's no ink on it. The ink is all loaded on this side. Let me get a cat. Okay, I've got Ketchup here, my sweet little angel girl, and I'm just gonna football hold her a little, kind of just get her situated. I think this would be way easier with 2 people if you don't have a calm animal or they're scared, but she's pretty chill. She's used to me picking her up and moving her around and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is hold these 2 together, kind of hold her with one hand, put these 2 together. She's a good practice because she will literally let you do whatever you want to her, and she's so easy. And I'm just gonna kind of hold her face and smush her nose into the ink. Okay, I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. Will you be okay with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push! Good girl! Good job! Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it's so cute! It is not center, but that's okay. Look at her little nose print. Look at it. Okay, I have been futzing around trying to get these nose prints to work, and I did get a couple of good ones, like, and by a couple, I mean, like, they're okay. These 2, they're really cute, the 2 that we did get, but I cannot, for the life of me, get them with the other kids, and I'm out of the white cardstock. So we're pivoting, and I've decided to do paw prints and put it on this butcher paper that I have. This is actually construction paper from the hardware store. That's the same paper I like lay down on my table when I'm doing crafts or painting or anything. It's thicker, it's really durable, and I think the brown is really pretty. And you can see the paw. This is Moo's paw, and it is so cute. I've gone ahead and made a mock-up so we can see what we're working for and what is going to be pulled together. And this is what it's gonna look like in the end. I've got the paw print on a separate piece to the backing paper, and then on that backing paper I've stamped their name with these sweet little letter stamps. So that's what we're gonna do with Moo's as well. I think it's just easier. I don't like pressing their face into it. I don't know. I like the idea of the nose, but the paw just feels way less invasive, and I didn't like pressing their face into it. I just didn't like doing that. So we're not gonna do that anymore. I didn't like it. Release.
We finally did. Okay,
Mama.
remember?
Last one, I promise. Okie dokie. I have this already cut out, and what I want to do is kind of make it a similar size to the one I've already made. I'm just gonna cut it out and clean up the edges a little bit. I don't want it to be too small. It doesn't need to be perfect either. I'm not going for perfection here. I'm just going for something that looks nice. Okay, I've cut it down to be smaller. Here it is. Oh my God, that little paw. It kills me. Her little toes. Look at them. They are so precious and adorable. And next, what I need to do is cut out a piece of that same cardstock to be the right shape to fit inside my frame. All right, next, I'm just gonna use the cardboard insert for the frame to cut out a piece of my cardstock to act as the background. You could totally put fabric here or anything, like whatever you have. I just have this paper and I like the color of it. It matches what I think the decor of this house is gonna be. It's just a nice neutral brown, and I can always change it. That's why I put their paws on a separate piece, so that if I don't like this background or I want to change out the matting or anything like that, I can in the future, but I don't have to retake their paw prints. Then taking my tape on the back of the paw print, just gonna make some loops. You could use double-sided tape here. I didn't have any double-sided, so I am just using what I have and making it work. Then taking the circle we cut out to be the backing, I'm gonna try and find not quite the middle, like the upper third. It doesn't need to be perfect, and just lay it down, press it. So now we've got cardstock, paw print, yeah? Time for stamps. For Moo, we are just going to need the M and the O here. And all I'm gonna do is go back into that same ink blot we had before. And you can see there's a bunch of ink left on the edges here. So we're just gonna use that ink as our ink for our stamp. And I'm gonna actually start with the O in the middle because there's 3 letters. So I want it to be, it doesn't need to be perfect, but I do want it to be centered. And all I'm doing here is tapping the end of my stamp. Listen to that. Woo. Into the ink. Finding, no, it doesn't need to be perfect, but kind of the center here in the bottom third, and planting my O down. I've got my O, and then I just need another O, the other side of it, and my M. And now I have her paw print and her name. And now all I have to do is put this back together again, starting with the face plate, then glass, and then our art, little Moo. She is a piece of art, that girl. And I'm just gonna stick a couple pieces of tape on the edges here, just to hold it down while we insert everything else. Nice, but it's this is so sweet and cute. And then our other piece, and I'm just gonna keep layering until we get the back piece on, and smush that in where it wants to go. And now it doesn't have any of those like flicky clicks. I have to put these nails in, and they go right into their holes. And I'm just gonna use the back of my scissors to just lightly tap them in. Right, now that I have both of the littles done. I'm gonna work on doing the ones for the big cats, and they're just going in these simple square or in these rectangle frames that I found. So it's like 2 sets of twins, and it's just perfect because I have 2 sets of twins, but they match, but they don't. It worked out kismetly. I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the squares with the stamps and the extra piece of paper and all of that. And once I have all of them done, I wanna add one more detail just to take it up another notch. So I want to put them up on this wall. It is a blank, one of the few blank walls my grandma has in the house, and I think we will move this stuff around when we do her big move downstairs. There will be more space for us to put our stuff up, but for now I want to put this here. This is like where I film most of my videos, and this is the wall I see, and it also like gets this really pretty light. So I want to put everything up here, and I think we're just gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4 for now, or maybe 2 stacks. What do you think? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 might take up too much space, and maybe we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you come help for a sec? Can you just help me visualize this a little bit and see how I want to stack them? Let's see. Maybe do 4 and 4, so put those 2 above those 2. What do you think? Or should we do?
I think.
Oh, I kind of like 4.
I like 4.
All together?
Yeah.
Should I kind of do them in 2
You
layers?
want to like stack them like just a little higher?
Yeah, I think stacking them is perfect. Okay, I like that a lot. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Decided. I'm gonna be using it's a laser level, but it has this like airlock on the back. This thing is amazing. So I have it set to 0 degrees at the end, and you just pop it on the wall where you want to hang it. So we're gonna do the first row, and you level it, and then you click on, and hear it, and it suctions. And yes, it sounds like that the whole time, but now you have this laser level even, which is so nice. And now I'm just using regular picture frame nails here. They're up and they're so cute. They're precious. I like this split level. I like the design. It's really pretty. But like I said, I want to add something more, and I have been loving bows this year. I think this has been the year of bows, and you guys might be sick of them, but I am not sick of them. I've been putting a bow in my hair forever. I love a hair bow. I love a bow, and I'm so glad that they're a thing right now. So I've taken some ribbon. This one is from Michaels. It's the Celebrate It Classic, and it has this like really pretty frayed edge, and it's just a nice muted green neutral tone, and I've made a bow, just a regular bow, and I think we could put it above to make it look like they're hung by bows. What do we think? I think that is so cute. Okay, to put these bows up is tying the bows and then taking my Scotch tape and putting it in a loop. Again, just like we did for the pieces on the back of the paw prints. And on the flat back side of the bow, I'm just gonna pop the piece of tape there and then place it.
Feet up on the dash and the calling open road. Road trip classics on the radio. With your hand tied.
All right, you guys, I love these. They are perfect. They are exactly what I needed, and they just add so much sweetness and character. And to have my little babies up on the wall, you guys know how much I love those cats, and they are just, it is so precious to see them like this. I did change out Seven and Farah's for a darker ribbon, just to add some more difference, matchy, different, you know what I mean? I wanted to keep with the theme and keep it consistent. So I did use some darker ribbon there, and I think this is so pretty. I also think you could change out the ribbon color for like different seasons or different holidays or whatever you want. If you wanted to hang pictures like this, I think it works great. The frame is just so beautiful, and I'm so happy to see them up on the wall. Finally, I'm so, I'm just a proud mom, okay? I'm just a proud cat mom. What can I say? I am just a proud mom. The other thing I can say is if you have made it this far in this video and you are not subscribed, girl, please. Girl, please. You obviously liked hanging out with me, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give the video a little like, comment down below. You know I love to yap, and if you want to see more behind the scenes, stream of consciousness, hangout, like FaceTime style videos, I do have a vlog channel. I'm currently doing Vlogmas, but I also do weekly vlogs over there, so go check that out if you aren't already. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, and subscribe to my channel, and you know, do the things. Please and thank you. Do the things. Okay, I'll see you guys on Sunday. That's after the holidays. If you celebrate Christmas and stuff, Merry Christmas. If you are seeing this video in July, Happy July. Okay, I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye. Which one do you think is you? Oh, it's this one. This one is milk. You want to touch it?